Let's do a full recap of June 2nd, 2025. Today is Monday. We did our live trading inside of the WAP. If you guys want to be a part of that New York session, every morning we are trading. It is up here, so go click on that and check that out. And I do go live after just to go over things and answer any questions. People have been having issues figuring out if this is my account. Yes, this is my account. Official Trader Jess 111 is my only account. I will never message you first. So while we were on live on TikTok, people had asked me what I thought the market might do, and I said I thought we would continue to push up given that we had not taken Friday highs on ES. So let's flip around and look at the chart. So if we look at the market, this was our 6:30 candle. We opened up extremely bullish. We came right into Friday's high. So if we look to the left, this was Friday's high. So we already took that out. We already surpassed the London high. So potentially my bias is to look for the London low or to look for the previous high. Well, while we were on live, it was probably right around this area. So if we went over to ES, so ES again is going to look very similar. So if we now go look at Friday's high, it's way up here. So where those two zones are close together. So keep in mind, we were talking like right in this area when we were on live. So that is a significant move to the upside. So if we go back to our NASDAQ chart now and we look at that, so it was about 950 because I had to take Penelope to the vet today. So 950, say we got in, came back down, and measure that to the upside, like to our zone to zone pretty much, like 120-ish points, depending on where you entered and where you exited. So beautiful move on NASDAQ. And there's so many things that show confluence in this, just looking back at it. And you guys can learn this all inside of the course. Whether you were looking at trend lines, whether you were using your zones as extra confirmation with a trend line, if you were looking at bear flags, using your zones as extra confirmation as well. This was a beautiful trading day. Like, we took our profits and we stopped for the day, and that was that. We traded zone to zone live and it was fabulous. But now looking back, had we, stayed on the charts, could you have made more money? Absolutely. Should you? Not always. It's all psychology. What if you would have gotten in the trade and it, reversed on you and you had already taken a big win and then, you revenge trade? So it's all perspective. It's all risk management. It's all, what you see in the market and using your confirmations, using these zones to figure out what is next.